I just finished my latest Marx E7 in SOO Line livery. I wanted it to look like their F units, so I stripped off the side square windows. I made round ones. I made decals for those. The numbers and the number boards were made by K4 decals, but the top stripes and the large SOO letters I did. So we'll give it a test run. I also put 19-volt LEDs that I buy from Evan Designs. You'll notice the top one is a blinker. Okay, it runs great. It also has the Marx power pull motor, the one with the traction tires in it, so it has really good traction. It's a good performer. I plan on painting a B unit. I have a Santa Fe that has all 4 steps broken off, and there's also some damage that I had to repair. I only use beaters for my custom paints. I don't want to be painting anything that has any collector value to it. And I'll eventually get around to painting a SOO Line caboose to match. So that's all for this time. Thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget that Jesus is Lord.